Hey everyone, Rich here from HighLevel How To, and in this video we're going to take a quick look at a way in which you can speed up the process of building websites in HighLevel when you need to import some stock photos from somewhere like Unsplash. So let's dive right in. Here we are then in the website builder, and what we all love about HighLevel is just how quick it is to create websites. So we create a section here, add a row into there, and give ourselves something like a headline, and then using these little plus buttons here, we're gonna say, let's take something like this, and then maybe in here we're gonna add the image, add a subheadline below it, and then add in some paragraph text, and we want that across all three columns. So we come back up here to the column, duplicate the column here with the clone button, get rid of these ones here. So now we've got something like this, and then we go looking for the images, and so we switch across to a new tab, go to Unsplash, search for the right image, download it, come back into HighLevel, go to the image uploader here, click upload file and bring the file in. But what if instead we actually searched Unsplash directly? Let's go to this drop down box here. You can see Pixaby and Unsplash. I'm just going to use Unsplash right now, and we want a picture of a team. So we search for that and we get something like this image here. Right click, we can either just get the link directly or we can actually add it to my media. That's done now, successfully added. So if we clear that search box, go back to my media, we'll see that image is here, and then the usual double click and in it comes into our website. So a little tip there that you don't have to switch to a new tab, download and upload. You can search for and import images direct from Unsplash and Pixabay straight into HighLevel, put them straight into your websites, making it even quicker to build things for clients. If you are not yet using HighLevel and you're looking at some of what we've just been doing in this video and thinking, I would love to give HighLevel a try, seems like a great way to build websites, then in the description down below you'll find a link to GHLtrial.com. Click that, you're going to get a free trial to HighLevel, including all that you have seen there, to give it a go and see if you really do want to switch over to that for all of your digital marketing needs, including building websites. If you found this video helpful, love if you could give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe so you can find more content from us when we publish it. And if there are other videos you'd like us to make, head to the comments down below, tell us what you would love to see.